Hello. This game again. At least we're gonna try, because my phone's at 7% and it might go down because it gets too hot. So, 1 second and I'll be back. Okay. Wait. Hang on, I'm gonna turn off the volume on this, like the... Where's the settings? Here. Sound. And... Sound. Oh, I think... Okay. I want the sound off, please. Off. Okay, it's off. Okay, so let's play the game now. You already know what to do. My music's glitchy now. My music's glitching out. Okay. Oh, guys, if you know Mike Miller, he is a singer. If you guys watch Jay Station, and you subscribe to him, I got this from him. He said something about Mike Miller. If you guys know who he is, he passed away yesterday. I think it was yesterday or today. I don't remember, but he overdosed, and yeah, that's kind of sad. But yeah, if you guys know who he is, he passed away. It's pretty sad. I didn't know who he was. I think I've heard some of his music. He was a rapper. So hopefully he's good. So yeah. We're gonna beat this today, guys. Okay? We're gonna beat this good today. We're gonna beat it like nothing happened. Yeah. This is really glitchy because I have music on too. So if it gets like really glitchy when I release this, tell me in the comments too. Oh freak. No! Wrong way! Dang it. What the heck? I'm gonna turn this off because it's really glitchy. Let's put it on easy. Okay. We could do this. What? There's usually a bag in here. I don't know. Okay, let's go. I hate when it does that. It's so annoying. Anything in here? Don't see nothing in here. Oh, there's one over here. Oh, people's been like Snapchatting me all day and texting me all day. So if you end up seeing a text on my phone, ignore it. I had that all day. Sorry, I'm listening to music. Okay. I I made it where you guys can't hear it, because if I like it get where you guys can hear it, it gets really, really glitchy. So, I'm sorry that you can't listen. Dude, I'm not playing. Please stay down. Away from here. I don't like you, lady. Oh, freak, my phone. It's like really hot, my phone is. Yeah, I made it where you guys can't hear it. It just keeps glitching, so. Who's your favorite singer? Tell me in the comments who your favorite singer is. Also, my favorite singer would probably be Post Malone. Is a good singer. Oh, freak! No. I don't know who else. I can't go anywhere else. I don't think she'll come in here, so. What's the thing? Let's see where she's at. Okay, she left. We're good. Okay. I think. I can't really tell where she's at on this game. I think she's upstairs, actually. I guess not. Is she still following me? Lady. Oh my god! This is hard. I just want to go. What? Is it just me or does this look different? I don't know. The last time I played this, it was different. Are you gone? I don't want to use one of those. So I'm gonna go for it. If it ends up saying run, then I'll run. But I'm gonna go for it. Going up here. Oh crap, yeah, that's not a good song. That sounded kinda appropriate. I'll get in trouble if I listen to that. Just joking. The songs I listen to has a lot of cuss words in it. Which I honestly don't care. Wait, oh, I thought that was filled up with water at first. I'm like, what the heck? Can I open that? No. There's no mirror guy in there. Did I go in here? I think so. No? I don't know. Did I come in here? I don't know. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna check it. There's one. I don't see nothing. This song's annoying. Okay, close those. I wonder see what that does, but then I'm just like, never mind. What the heck? That was so weird. I just heard something in my headphones and I didn't know what it was. That was so creepy. Go away, please. I don't want to deal with your crap, lady. Okay. I'm just gonna stay in here, I guess. I don't want to deal with your crap, lady. Go away. You're making me go in circles. Oh crap. No, 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 no! No, I'm stuck! Okay, I got it. I was stuck. She's downstairs, so I need to go up there for something. Oh my god. Sorry. I'll look at that later. Let's go up here. See if there's anything up here. Yes. Oh, crap. Okay. I need It's kind of creepy that it's called eyes. Does she like eat your eyes for breakfast? I don't know, but that's kind of. Wait. I'm gonna see if the code is in here. It was in here last time I played. I don't think I was recording actually. When I seen if it was in here. I don't know if I was. No, it's not in here now. Probably respawns every time. Oh my gosh, these songs are annoying. No. Just stay up here. She won't come in here, so. I need another. Why did I use that? Crap, I'm so mad. Oh, good. I have one. Okay. Oh, guys, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We are going to make it. Oh, you have enough. Okay, whatever. Okay. Come on, guys. We can do this. Wait, can we go through here? Oh, dang it. You need to unlock the door. Crap. Oh, that's alright. We can do this without it. I'm scared, guys. That's okay. We can do this. Let me turn this. No. Let me pause this. Let me pause this for a second so I can hear if she's coming or not. Okay. Oh, freak, that scared me. Okay. I have a feeling that she's downstairs. I don't know. Dang it. Is she down here? Oh, freak! No! No! Oh my god! I didn't mean to scream, I'm sorry. The heck? I'm good. I don't want to download TikTok. Please just... Oh, I'm so mad. Alright. We're gonna play again. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scream. I probably hurt you guys' ears, whoever's headphones, so I'm sorry. Just made me pissed off. This song's weird. It's so weird. Oh my gosh, you do. Oh, shut up, you stupid piano. Shut up, piano. Oh my gosh, this song is so annoying. Oh, and everybody's born in the hospital. What the heck? It just said I was born in a hospital. Bruh. All things or people are born in a hospital. So, whatever. Oh crap. I can't run. No! Wrong way. Wrong way. I don't want to download that crap. What the heck is going on? Guys, I hear something really weird in my headphones and it's kind of freaking me out. I don't think it's the game because the sound is off. I don't... Well, the sound was off. You guys probably can't hear the sound because it's off for you, but still. I hear like whispering in one of them and it's freaking creeping me out. It sounds like Vanessa's voice or something. Now that's part of the game, but I hear something else in like my left ear, and I can't hear very good in my left ear, but I can hear this. It's like really loud. It's freaking me out. Okay, it's done, I guess. That's kind of freaky. Wait, I found a... Oh. What the heck? I'm hearing it again. This is freaking me out. Vanessa, if that's you, please stop. You're freaking me out. I don't know, but... I have the chills. Okay, I don't know what that is. Video gone wrong. I'm joking. Oh, I need to go this way. Wait. I'm on this way, I guess. I didn't go anywhere else, so. Okay. So make it 2. Sorry I'm quiet. Trying to find it. Don't worry. Upstairs we go. Really? Really? Why are you upstairs? Oh my god. I freaking hate this game. It's so hard. Oh god. I thought I looked in here. No sound. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this is a good song. Ready, guys? I'm gonna sing. I have a horrible I have a horrible voice though. Oh, wait. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't pick the love that I gave you. Dang it, she's upstairs! Oh my god. Fine, I'll go downstairs then. No, she's up here. Dang it. Alright, we're gonna try to do this. I'll try to do this later or tomorrow. I don't know. I'll record it. If I end up beating it, I'll tell you guys. I'm gonna see you guys later.